Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you are new here, please we request that you subscribe and also watch the previous episodes of the 52-week challenge. So, my name is Nikki Agina.
My name is Agina.
And I'm going to do a quick review of what I learned in the previous episode. So, I learned I learned how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide in Luo. So I'm going to show you how you pronounce the words in Luo. Riwo, add. Riu, add. Golo, subtract. Goal, subtract. I'm going to do an example. Gol ariyo kuom adek, and the answer would be achiel. Goyo, multiply. Go, multiply. Pogo, divide. Pog, divide.
Good. So remember, this is on our last episode. Just look through it through our link and you'll find it. And I noticed that she has still not developed the Luo accent. For example, he says pogo instead of pogo. Now you have to pronounce the P and the G. Pogo. Alright? But today we want to learn about animals and how to pronounce the animals. Alright? And straight away I will start. I will show you the animal and tell you how to read the animal. This is a cow. My drawing is nice. As you can see, the cow is called, this is D-H-I, you pronounce at the. So this is diang. There's an apostrophe right here. So this is diang. What do you say?
Diang.
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 Correct. Diang.
Diang.
Correct. Don't say diang. You say diang.
Diang.
Correct. This is a sheep. And the sheep you say what? What did you say?
Rombo.
Rombo. Rombo. Can you say with me? Rombo. This is a duck, and some people call it oyoyo. But we shall call it what?
Atudo.
Atudo. Atudo. Then for a squirrel, I could not draw a squirrel, my guys. Squirrel, no. For a squirrel, you call it, remember this is D-H-A, so this is da. So you call it A-I-Da. 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 How do you say?
Aida.
A-I-Da.
Aida.
Yes, not Aida. A-I-Da.
Aida.
Say it with me.
Aida.
The three pronunciations up here. A, I, and D-H-A. Aida. Then we move on to beautiful drawing, obviously. Hyena. We call it otoyo. What?
Otoyo.
Correct. And then we move on to this. You have it in your house. No, not you. I'm saying someone else. That is what? Oyeyo.
Oyeyo.
Oyeyo. So you could say oyeyo. Then this is a rabbit. Some people say it's a bunny. I don't know the difference. Someone will tell us in the comment section. How do you say that?
Apuoyo.
Apuoyo. Apuoyo. Apuoyo. Then I couldn't draw a monkey. Never ever. How do you call that?
Ong'er.
Exactly. You see the apostrophe here? So that is o ng ng. Ong'er. 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 Say it together.
Ong'er.
Good. A lion, you'd call a lion sibuor. How do you say?
Sibuor.
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 Correct. A snake. Snake could be what?
Tuol.
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 Don't say tuol. That's different. Okay? Say it again.
Tuol.
Tuol. Correct. And then this, that's a dog, as you can see. Sorry. How do you say that?
Guok.
Not guok. Guok.
Guok.
Guok.
Guok.
Say it again.
Guok.
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 And finally, that's a cat, a beautiful cat, and you call it?
Nyambura.
Correct. You can say mbura or nyambura. So quickly we shall just pronounce this. I will show you and you have to shout the name.
Nyambura. Guok.
Guok.
Guok. Tuol. Sibor. Ong'er.
Ong'er.
Ong'er. Apuoyo.
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 If you say apuoyo, it's a different word.
Okay.
So you must say apuoyo.
Apuoyo. Oyeyo.
Oyeyo.
Oyeyo. Otoyo. Aida.
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 Aida. Atudo.
Atudo.
Atudo. Rombo. Diang.
Diang. Quickly, let me go through them. Diang. Sorry. Rombo. Atudo. Aida. Otoyo. Oyeyo. Apuoyo. Ong'er. Sibuor. Tuol. Guok. Mbura. All right, you can close it up.
If you would like, please subscribe and give a like to this video if you loved watching it. Give us
A thumbs up.
yes if you liked it. Follow us